It's Christmas! Remember, as children, we used to say that we'd be so excited for so many reasons. No school, no homework, gifts galore, and seeing cousins that we haven't seen since the last big holiday. And although we couldn't articulate it, something in the air felt different. Maybe it was a collective joy and good spirit from everyone that made the interactions more pleasant. People kinder. When we all unanimously decided that something important was about to happen and no one wanted to ruin the celebration and the festivities. Christmas is a beautiful thing that brings out the most beautiful thing in humanity. Love. Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrongdoing, but rejoice with the truth. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 8. PBCJ wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past. Merry Christmas.